Hey budgeters and savers, Kris Budgets here with another fun video for you guys. If this is your first time here on my channel, I do cash stuffings. I use the cash envelope system. I'm a zero-based budgeter, and I also use the budget by paycheck method. So if you're into becoming debt-free, working on your snowball, working on your finances, getting your life together, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I'm posting. Again, I am just, I'm out here, I'm working, I'm twerking, and I'm constantly working on our budget, our finances, and, checking in on our debt. So I have a super fun video, you guys. If you guys didn't know, I actually won the giveaway from Katii Budgets. I will insert her links down below and a photo right here of her channel. She recently just got monetized as well, and I'm so excited because, at first, I was not entering any giveaways because I was like, no, I'm not going to enter any giveaways. But then I saw Marlene won 3 giveaways. Someone else won like 3 giveaways. And I was like, me too. So I am entering all and any giveaways at this point in my life, because if I am not winning in my finances, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to win these giveaways, okay? I have no shame, none. So I'm going to go ahead and open this on camera. I have been waiting for like a bajillion business days. Okay, it's only been like 3 business days, but still. And I wanted to, if you guys hear any thunder or rain or like a tsunami, a monsoon, a hurricane, whatever's going on outside, I don't even know. I'm so sorry in advance. It's like pouring cats, dogs, limousines outside. So my daughter is downstairs watching Frozen with her dad, and I'm just trying to film this cute unboxing, and I can't wait because I have been waiting so patiently to open this. I wasn't gonna film until Wednesday night because that's when I get paid, and I wanted to film everything together, but I don't have time for that, y'all, because your girl, woo! Yes, it just feels, I'm just so excited. Okay, so again, this is from Katii Budgets, and how sweet. So thank you for supporting my small business. Girl, you welcome. No, thank you. So I am going to, let me just make sure I'm not cutting into anything. Slowly but surely, you guys. And I love the black because she's very into, like, her brand is very marble. So like black, white, I don't know if you can tell here, the marble on this. Like, ooh, cute. Just make sure we're not looking at addresses or anything. You guys, who am I? I don't even know me anymore. Wow. Who am I? This is, you guys, this feels so luxe. It feels so divine and fine. Yes, oh my gosh, this is too cute. Okay, so I picked the gray envelopes for my giveaway, and I wanted the gray to go with like the black and gray vibes, the dark vibes. We're going into fall, so I need to calm down and like mind my business and just sit down and relax, chill. It's all about the fall vibes, So I got the gray envelopes, and of course I had to get pink because that's my color. So I got the brightest pink that she had. You guys, how cute. Groceries. What is the girl? Look how sweet. You guys, surprises everywhere. Okay, I'm just gonna move that. This is cute. I'm gonna keep that. How cute. She gave me 2. She gave me $2,000. Well, let me repeat this. 1,000. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh no, this thunder. Oh, you know what? I don't even know if my husband is gonna edit that out, so we might as well just leave that in there, huh? Since my own editor-in-chief doesn't pay attention. But anyway,
it is what it is. It is what it is.
She gave me 2 $1,000 placeholders. Sorry it's a little bright in here. My husband turned on every single light he can find. And this is so cute. Yes, yes. And her thank you card. Thank you for supporting my small business. She is the sweetest. Like, can you guys see this? I love the gold. I love the marble. I love like small little thank yous like this. I think it's really a reminder, like, you know, when we're shopping from Etsy, when we're shopping from someone we know, or even someone we don't know, when we're shopping from a small business, you know, it's typically just that one person, maybe their boyfriend, maybe their husband or girlfriend, you know, maybe their significant other, but it's typically just that one person. They are physically making these envelopes for you guys. Like, they are physically, like, you guys, she did that. Like, these rings, wow, y'all, wow. I don't even know what to say because the craftsmanship alone. So I know I had inquired about this and I was like, you know, like, how do you, like, how? Like, physically how? You guys, this isn't no tape, no hot glue gun, okay? This isn't no botched wallet job. This is the real deal right here. This is so incredibly, you guys, so incredibly sturdy. Like, I'm shook. I am shook. Wow. This is definitely not going to break on you. Like, this is, the quality is incredible. If you guys were able to pull on this, if you guys were, you know, if you had one, if you ordered one, you guys know. You guys know. If you guys got part of the pre-order, you already know. So wow, this is so sweet. And then also she wrote on the back of the card, "Hey Kris, congrats on winning the giveaway. I hope you enjoy your new wallet, Katie." So sweet. She's honestly so sweet. She's very humble. But as I was saying, if you guys haven't yet, follow Katii Budgets on Instagram, her Etsy shop, and then of course on YouTube. So she just hit over 1,000 followers and she, you know, is on her way. Like, she is honestly one of the hardest working people I know. She works full-time, goes to school. Like, what does she not do, you guys? What does she not do? So, you know, if you haven't yet, if you're looking for a little hustle motivation, go ahead and follow Katie, subscribe to her, and if you're interested in this wallet, don't forget to check out her Etsy shop. I will have all of the links down below, and because I'm just so obsessed, you guys. Like, we are going into fall, so this is perfect. Perfect. And you guys, honestly, who am I? I don't even know myself anymore. And I just, you know, I'm so thankful to win this giveaway. It's so exciting to, you know, really dive into this community. So if you are new to this channel or you're new to the budgeting community, go ahead and start your journey. Start that Instagram page, your YouTube channel, do whatever it is that you need to do to make sure you're accountable. And I think that really makes all the difference. So I will see you guys in the next video. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and check out the links below. Thanks for watching.